to have them.
Oh, being a loyal customer pays off. You hear that, folks?
I literally was like, yo, Ref,
Yeah.
do you still have the iBlock lowering springs?
Been there for like ever.
And he's like, I do.
Hell yeah,
I'm like, bro,
dude.
just give him the Luca. Minka! Think you doing? Come here.
What's up, bro?
Pendeja.
But yeah,
That's awesome,
they're
man.
all there.
Thank
You need me
you.
to throw 'em
Appreciate it.
I give you price and throw them in. If you want to do it yourself, do it yourself. But I know. But I know you'll be
awesome.
able. I know you'll be able to use them. So these are the pro kits. So these feel like stock, and I think it's a 1.5 to 2 inch drop.
Okay.
So you should be able to run them on the stock wheels and not get any rubbing or anything. So
Okay. So then I'll be back soon. Sounds good. Thank you, brother. Appreciate it.
no problem. That's my way of saying thank you because you're always helping us out, giving Frank reconstructive
Oh yeah.
and the shirts.
Of course. Yeah.
Here's a 27-1 kit. You got both front brake calipers, steel braided lines, bracket hardware, and both 2-piece rotors. Second time I installed this kit, I kind of went. This video is gonna be like just me working, not explaining so much, because I already have a video explaining exactly how to do this kit. I'm not gonna lie, I forgot some steps, so of course I'm gonna have to either pull out my phone and go through the installation guide. But yeah. What am I looking for? What am I looking for? This. And I'm kind of on a time crunch because I gotta go to the airport later to pick up my aunt, and I gotta be out of here by 1, and it's 9:39 in the morning. I only booked this car for today because obviously I gotta go to the airport. So coffee was my friend today. You guys already know, 14. Love these gear wrenches for a brake job. I literally grab this and whatever the bracket size is, but. Actually, why am I even loosening this? I'm taking out this whole fucking bracket. Take a wild Honda guess and say it is a fucking 17. God dang, 17. Let's see what we got. Yes, it is. I think I'm going the wrong way. Yes, I am. But pretty much I'm doing the same thing I did on the other side. I took the rotor off, the brake caliper off, and the brake line off. What did I do with my H10? Here it is. But blue Loctite on these bolts, 70 foot-pounds. It's not even on. Now it's on. I don't give a fuck. I don't give a fuck. I give it a couple taps to bend it even farther back. Along with that little tap, same thing here. Grab it. This is only on the SI models. You have to do this. So. You want to take this and go like that, and take this and move it back so it won't hit the rotor. Now we gonna grab El Rotor, line it up with the hole. Boom, boom. That is not the one I need. This is the one that I'm looking for. Take this caliper off. Boom. Get this. And my best friend, blue Loctite. Remember, bleeder's always facing up. I always start one so I can at least hold it. If not, I can't. I don't have 3 arms or 3 hands. This way I put. Who the fuck? If not, my keys are in the desk. So far, so good. Yeah, these brakes break. I forgot how much these brakes break. Every time I drive one of these, it makes me miss mine. I'm not gonna lie. This one is very well built. RE6 turbo, Type R clutch, QD short throw shifter, K tuner, PRL everything, full exhaust, ARP HONDAS done by me. Same with the big turbo. Breaking in the brakes. So normally I speed up to about 60 and then slow down to 30, do it a couple times just to break everything in. It is raining, so I can't really go too crazy, but brake pedal is right there up top. I just felt ABS kick on, which is a good thing. This thing is because it is big turbo. So we're about at like 70 now. Slowing down. Just want to get the pads. It's gonna be a lot more because it is rain out today, so I can't really heat cycle the pads like that. But it's a pretty good. Pedal feels good. A lot more aggressive and responsive over stock, of course, but barely even have to give it effort, and it's like, oh.
For what?
Nichols on Monday. Basketball.
Oh, you going for it? Yeah, no, I'm going.
He said, Alex said he bought a basketball and everything. We about to get the Uncle Drew League going. I'm be like,
This is gonna be my layups. One, two,
actually hurt.
I'm like, easy there, young buck. I gotta stretch. I gotta run about 5 minutes. I gotta run in place.
All right, hit me with it real quick because I know we're not gonna get in
Time
after.
lapse?
I'm gonna do a time lapse.
So
I'm gonna be running both cameras.
we got a full Remark exhaust on this 2022 SI. He was here when he first got it, like last year, right?
Yeah, I think I don't think it was a year, but it was a decent amount of time.
We're doing a full exhaust kit on it, Remark. SI behind us. We gotta do pads and rotors all the way around. My scanner, I already went through the whole motion. VIN scan, went in, year, make, model. Year, make, model. And we just went to the ABS module. We gotta put the brake pads into maintenance mode because this has electronic e-brake in the rear. You have to put it into maintenance mode to be able to compress the rear calipers. If not, you won't be able to. So we put it into brake news. It's used, blah, blah, in the rear. Okay, you're gonna hear the, well, enter brake pad maintenance mode. You're gonna hear the motors in the rear work, which you just did, and I just messed up this. And now they're in maintenance mode, you hit okay, and then obviously once you're done, you go back in here and you go back into normal mode, as you can see, and then you go through the same thing again. But you need scanners like this to do the brake job on the rears on these cars. Any new car with a electronic e-brake, you need it, so that's why this scan tool, that's why I got it. So this side is going to be a little bit harder because you got the gas lines here. But the trick is go in like that. And then you're going to have to go, oh shit. Oh shit. I forgot this side a little bit harder, Frankie.
Hey, can I ask you a question?
What?
What does that tattoo mean?
It's very sacred to me.
Is just dates, right?
Yes.
Okay. Wait, is there something under that?
Do you see me coming over here asking you what the fuck your tattoos mean?
Well, yours has more meaning than mine.
Mine has a double meaning. Then turned into a single meaning.
You said it had a double meaning, and then it turned into a single.
I just thought about something. Frankie, what if I told you I have this new tool that I bought? And I haven't used it. And I've been meaning to use it. I bought this like 2 months ago. You know this set that looked real nice in my toolbox is brand new? It's a shorter swivel 17. Probably make my life easier. So there's a new method to this shit. And we's finna uncover it right now. Oh shit. Like a fucking glove. What's up?
Who do we have that does the tunes for the HONDAS?
Him. Raph.
You do the HONDAS?
You got it in-house. It don't get better than that.
Do you suggest to do the HONDAS and the intake at the same time?
For this?
Yeah.
No, I mean, you don't have to.
No, I'm asking recommended.
Yeah, you'll get the most out of the intake with it.
This is when I see what my hands can do. What them hands do?
Whatever God allows.
Whatever God intends. We gonna pull it forward. We gonna get it and hold that. That hurt it.
You miss doing that?
Here and there.
Sometimes. Depends on who it is.
Sometimes.